7-ton diesel crew cab with an 8-foot bed. Insane. I'm super excited. Yeah, so the gauges all turn color. That's what little man is talking about. We could change the colors of them. And then Laura's over here putting her feet up on the dash.
It's a truck.
Oh, so that means you can do it then?
Yeah.
That means you can do it?
Yeah.
All right.
My feet are clean.
I don't think that's the purpose. If that airbag goes off, yeah, your knee is going to be right in your chin.
Well, you better drive safe then.
I'll try.
Wait, says the person who has one hand on the gauges and one hand on the camera and 0 on the steering wheel.
Well, if you guys are new to the channel, we've got the GT500, we've got the Terminator Cobra. If you didn't catch that reveal, you got to go check that out. And now we've got the F350 diesel. Now, it's got a 6.0 in it, so I know a lot of you guys are probably going to give me a hard time about that, but I think we're good there. This is just something that I've wanted for a super long time, and every time we go to events, we're always taking the RV and we're using the RV to trailer the car. Even for local stuff, we were using the RV, and I think this right here would be a lot more practical, and it's got tons and tons of space in the back with the kids and all that. A lot of you guys may be more excited about the Terminator Cobra, but I've been way more excited about the truck than the Cobra. I've actually driven the truck so much more than I've driven that Cobra. It's ridiculous on how much I've driven this thing already. So, and what, bud? Go ahead. I'm gonna keep this video short, simple, straight to the point, just like I did the other one, and I'm gonna do a video on each vehicle, kind of like a review, but I'm just gonna keep this one straight to the point, let you guys know what we got, and the story behind how I ended up with 2 vehicles is gonna blow your mind. It's crazy, and I was not expecting it to happen, but anyways, you guys have to stay tuned for that. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you definitely want to be on top of that notification bell so you